Driving can be unpredictable, but your safety shouldn't be. Meet the KAWA Dashcam Mini 3, your ultimate witness on the road. This compact powerhouse records in stunning 2K resolution, ensuring every detail, from license plates to road signs, is captured with perfect clarity. Whether it's day or night, the advanced night vision technology guarantees sharp footage even in low light conditions. One of the coolest features? Emergency voice control. You can tell the camera to take a picture or lock a video without ever taking your hands off the wheel. Plus, with the built-in Wi-Fi and app monitor, you can view and download your recordings directly to your phone in seconds. It's small, discreet, and fits perfectly behind your rearview mirror. From daily commutes to long road trips, the KAWA Dashcam gives you the peace of mind you deserve. Everything is at your fingertips. Connect via Wi-Fi to the dedicated app to watch, download, or share your videos instantly. No more fumbling with SD cards to show what happened. Compact, powerful, and smart. Don't wait for an accident to happen. Get protected today. Click the link in bio to grab your KAWA Mini 3 and follow Smart Living for more game-changing auto tech.